Anushka, you have been tracking the situation from outside the hospital there. Can you give us an update on the condition of the injured passengers? And are there any patients that are in critical condition at the moment? And what is their chances of recovery? What are the hospital authorities saying?
Well, Osama, right now what we are getting to know from the LNGP sources is that all the people who are admitted here have been released after giving them the primary medical care. We'll show you some visuals also from outside the LNGP hospital. Now, this is the same hospital where the patients had been rushed in yesterday night after the incident took place. Now, we are also looking at several of the people who came here to look after the people, their loved ones who are still missing. But we're also seeing that a team of 15 doctors were taking care of the injured patients. Now, 4 people were under observation and the rest had been discharged from after giving the primary treatment. Also, the hospital has released a helpline numbers for the affected families. People whose relatives are still missing, who they cannot find, can in fact connect with the helpline number and call the hospital as to know if their loved ones are in fact admitted here or not. We're also seeing that several of the leaders had in fact come here. The Lieutenant Governor yesterday night came here to had to take a visit. Also, we saw the acting Chief Minister Atishi, who came here to look after the patients who were admitted. We also saw the CPRO, who was saying that anyone who was injured would be given the proper care that they need. Also, a concession of 10 lakh rupees for the deceased family of the deceased people have been given, 2.5 lakh for the severely injured people, and 1 lakh for the people who have sustained minor injuries. Now, we're outside LNJP hospital and we saw since morning several of the people whose relatives are missing. They came here to in fact take a look as to if their relatives are here or not. But we also saw several of the people coming here whose loved ones were admitted here inside the hospital. Now also we are seeing several of the people who were admitted here have been discharged after giving them the proper medical care that was required. Now all the mortal remains that were in the mortuary here is also in fact handed back to their relatives. Yesterday night, 15 mortal remains had been brought here at the LNJP hospital, out of which 5 were transferred to the RML hospital because the capacity here was quite low. The 4 out of 5 mortal remains from the RML hospital has been handed back to the family. One mortal remains still remains unclaimed. But here outside LNJP hospital, while in the morning we saw heavy police deployment, now we are seeing that police deployment still there, but we are seeing that after dozens of passengers who were rushed to the hospital last night after massive stampede, they were in fact given proper medical treatment here. But what the main question here that still remains is that if we remove the wheel of inquiry committee and system from the responsible faces, truly many questions are being raised: disappearances of the body, families wandering helplessly, restrictions in hospital, mismanagement. All these issues are in fact pointing to one particular fact, that are we just statistics? Because many of the people lost their lives. 18 people lost their lives in the stampede-like situation that happened yesterday. The railways is saying that one person slipped at the foot of a bridge that was connected to the platform, and because of that the whole crowd unraveled. Lots and lots of people started falling from behind and a stampede-like situation happened. Now, what has come out in the RML hospital that in the postmortem report is that the people there died of traumatic asphyxia. That means that they were unable to breathe, and because of that trauma, many of them in fact passed away. And right now also we are looking at LNJP hospital where several of the people were given medical treatment. Now they have been discharged from the hospital. But also we are seeing that the Mahakumbh is still ongoing in Prayagraj. Several of the people will in fact still are willing to go there and take a holy dip. But one thing remains to be seen is that this is the second incident in one Mahakumbh. One happened at Prayagraj and the second happened at New Delhi railway station, where 18 people lost their lives. Now one question that remains here is that what was the management doing, and now what measures is the management taking? Because we are seeing that the security measures had not been hyped up despite the fact that this incident took place.